Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying this festive season. So as you can see the title of this video, it's going to be festive makeup look, and this look is really suitable for daytime wear as well. So if you want, you can wear this at daytime or anytime that you want. So starting with the base, I'm applying this LAKME Absolute primer on my face, taking some of that on back of my hand and dotting that on my face, and then I'll mixing this using my fingers. It's a smoothing primer, so your foundation will go really smoothly over it. This is a Body Shop Peachy Glow CC cream. I will mix this with the infallible 24-hour foundation. It's a matte foundation, that's why I'm mixing the Body Shop CC cream so that I get a really dewy base and not really matte. Dotting that all over my face and neck, then blending it using my Real Technique makeup sponge. This is damped, and I'm blending my foundation, taking some extra so that I can cover my acne scars. And once blending is done, I'm setting my face with this Beauty Bakery setting powder. I will set my under eyes and rest of my face. Then it's time for brow, and for that I'm using this NYKAA eyebrow cake powder, and this little palette has a brow wax, a dark color and a light shade. So first I'm brushing my brow hairs using the spoolie that came in the palette and applying a little bit of that wax so the hairs stays in place. Now filling my brows with the darker shade. I am defining my brows using that shade and filling as well, and doing that same thing on the other brow as well. And once that is done, I will take the lighter shade and apply that. And now coming to the eye makeup, I'm gonna use this LAKME Absolute French Rose eye palette, using that brown shade and applying that in my crease, so I have a defined crease, and doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna use only two colors, so one is this crease color and the next is the pink shade, the middle shade in the second row. I'm using that all over my lid and blending that with the previous brown shade, and just making sure that both eye looks similar or same. And then I will smoke my lower lash line with that brown shade that I have applied in my crease. Yeah, so I'm smudging that brown shade on my lower lash line and connecting the corners so there is no harsh edges, and taking some pink shade and I'm applying that just center of my lower lash line and blending that really well again so it looks seamless. Eye makeup is done. Now move to the eyeliner, and for that I'm using this Essence retractable pencil. This is a brown shade, and brown really looks soft as compared to blacks, and I wanted a soft liner look, so I'm using this brown color instead of black, and later I will smudge that for even softer look, so you will get just defined eyeliner. Yeah, now moving to the mascara, and for that I'm using Worth the Hype mascara, It is a really good lengthening and volumizing at the same time. I really like this mascara, and this is not so hard to take off as well. Coating my lashes with that, and then moving to the face. For that I'm using this NYKAA ombre blush, applying that on my cheeks, and the highlighter shade that comes in that palette, I'm applying that in my inner corners. Yeah, like that. Now for lips, I'm gonna use this NYKAA Metalicious lip crayon in the shade pink on fleek, and I'll apply that on my lips. It's a really soft pink color, so it goes perfectly with the look. And to finish off my makeup, I'm using this dewy finish setting spray by NYX. This will give a very dewy finish to my face, and my makeup will look even dewier and natural. Now using the same Metalicious lip crayon, I'm applying that as a bindi using a brush. Since it's a Indian festive makeup look, it's not complete without a bindi. And later I have also applied a gold glitter eyeliner around just my bindi, so it looks even more festive. And yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you like this look, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below what would you like to see next, or give me any idea. I will be happy to do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.